Hello, Jason Van Sickle, Curator of Vehicles here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. I'm with our restoration technician, Nelson Cabrera, to give an update on the Lotus 29-1 restoration project. Nelson?
Hi guys, any questions? This is her. I don't know what you say, there's nothing there. Pull the gearbox, transaxle, engine, fuel bladders, which we don't have, which will be getting made. This is the 6th tank. It's the only tank we have. Goes above your legs. So if you're driving the car and it's actually filled up, you're pretty much driving in a bathtub full of fuel, which makes it interesting. Suspension, pedal assembly, which is very fun to remove compared to a current age Indy car. And the only other big thing we're going to do on this is we're actually going to pull the belly pan. As you can see, is damaged. It has been bottomed out a few times as the car was running back in the day. So what we'll do is it's actually going to go out to our body fit guy so you can fit the cowl to the top of the car. Then it will be acid dipped, stripped down to nothing but bare metal. And we'll come through here and drill out all the rivets to remove the belly pan and make new ones.
So we've obviously had a lot to do so far. There's still a lot more to go with the 29-1 restoration project. Obviously, help from you fans will help fund this restoration and get it back on the Indianapolis Motor Speedway oval. If you follow along on these Facebook updates, we'll keep you in touch.
Thanks.